Hi, let's look at this P6 maths question here on algebra. We are told that John has 80 sweets and Alan has X sweets fewer than John. How many sweets must John give to Alan so that both of them have an equal number of sweets? Now let's try to look at it from the perspective of a model first. So if John has 80 sweets, let me draw a model for John. So this is John and he has 80 sweets. And we know that Alan has X sweets fewer than John. Okay, so let me draw a model for that. So we do not know how many sweets he has, but what we know is Alan has fewer, and how much fewer? That is X. So X sweets fewer. So this amount here is X. Now, how many sweets must John give to Alan so that both of them have an equal number of sweets? Now, looking at this model, you can see that if I were to take this box here of X and I split it into two, all right, and if I take this portion here and I give it to Alan, okay, then I'll get Alan having more sweets and John having fewer sweets. So how much more or how much less does each of them have? That was basically what I did earlier, which is I taking this entire block and I splitting it into two. All right, so the amount of sweets that John must give to Alan is actually X over 2. All right, so that is the answer for part A over here. Now, if X is equals to 40, how many sweets do they have all together? So if X is equals to 40, that means this portion here is 40. All right, so how many sweets does Alan have? So the amount of sweets that Alan has is 80 minus 40, which is equals to 40. Alright, so John has 80 and Alan has 40. So the total number of sweets is equals to 80 plus 40, which is 120. So that is the answer for part B over here. So as you can see, you can solve algebra questions using the mathematical approach as well as using the, as you can see, you can solve such a question by using the models sum approach, where you draw appropriate models and you can see what you need to do. Alright, so I hope this has given you a good idea how to solve such algebra questions for your P6. Thank you. Bye.